Hey, Mew. How was your New York session so far? Made many hours? Yeah, so I'm up 1% for the day after taking 2 trades. Got one more trade I'm looking for to take for the day. Yeah, just protect those profits because I think GJ is just chopping because he's speaking again. No need to use all your bullets. It's not a must. Yeah, price action was wet. Totally agree. I took a long earlier just now here. So I had this zone on the 30-minute like this. And then price came right to it. And then when it flipped back down, I closed half. And then it went back up and I was like, okay, this 30-minute close is not good. So I just grabbed everything at near the top of this previous wick. So I ended that trade break even. Hey, 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 AJ.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. I
Yeah,
was
I
so
need
bored I was changing my Zoom wallpaper. So now I'm in a cafe.
library, whatever it is.
Yeah, I was so bored I was just changing it.
Yeah, I saw you on the live from Rajas. Kept changing.
Yeah. There's really nothing to think, man. I
Yeah,
left
it
a
just needs to
beach.
break below. I need a break and close below
135.6.
600.
Yeah. Yeah. This cafe is dark. I'm going back to my beach. Ta-da! I'm back at the beach. My god, so bored. What is your vibes for the news to come? I honestly don't know because they didn't even mention what he's talking about.
What time's the news?
In another 42 minutes.
Oh, yeah, so I'm chilling until then.
Yep.
All right, I'll be right back.
Yeah, the news is not on Forex Factory, so if anyone wants to find it, I saw it on my FX book. That's why I keep them both open. SC, no, Zoom is not full. Can you not come in? Hang on, let me check. Ooh, okay, you're not the only one. Hang on, let me check. Okay. SC, try it now.
I was looking at it on the 15-minute, and the 15-minute didn't close with a bottom wick, so
Yeah,
I was
not yet.
expecting it to pull back.
Yeah, it's still holding. So earlier we were talking about this whole area, right? It's still holding, man.
Well, that's good. I mean, it gives you a clean area to either break below or break above.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be a good trade. I'm actually looking at for below because there's a good range for it to go down. But like for the buys, it needs to be above 136, 200.
Hey, Al.
Yeah, what's up? Managed to get in, right? Duh.
Yeah.
Duh.
Yeah, I just hopped on the charts just now, and the first thing I noticed wasn't exactly the support that you guys have, but the fact that that price broke the structure just now on the 30-minute is well, never mind. It was also there for like what looked like a retest, but it was looking like a sell for a while.
Oh. Yeah, when it broke below this area here, it looked like a sell, but I didn't trust it yet. Can you help me understand between the mini account and the standard account? I think it's just, I'm not sure if the spreads are different because I trade on a standard account. I think the mini account just allows you micro lots.
Yeah, they're pretty much the same. But like, say for example, you want to, so like for us, it's like for a standard account, right? You put for one lot, you put $1, right? Which is like one lot.
Yeah.
Whereas a micro account, you have to put $10 in order for it to be one standard lot.
Ah, okay.
So like a $1 on a micro is a 0.10 on a standard account.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah.
Why sells below 135,600 instead of 135,650? This whole area, okay, so RGI, I have this thing about drawing my lines at whole numbers, but this whole area effectively, it should be a zone. So 650 is fine as well. Yeah.
CJ just not playing around today, just going up and down,
Yeah.
up and down.
Yeah, man. But it's good that you notice no bottom wick on this, because this has happened so many times, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So even then, like earlier when I took my longs and then I cut half earlier somewhere here, and I saw this 30-minute candle having no wick, I was like, oh hell, I'm gonna grab this wick fill, and then I'm out. Yeah.
Should have taken a short.
That wasn't any signal.
Just gotta risk it for the biscuit.
No. That was a noob move that I would have made a few years back, but not now. No more being a noob. I've graduated from noob trader.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oops. Yeah, I think everyone should. Okay, those still stuck on YouTube, I'm sorry. I edited the links earlier, and then I think it didn't update on Discord, but I think you guys should be in. So Reef, how much percentage go for daily profit? I don't have one, because then it will make me chase trades. Don't even have a weekly goal.
I have a minor resistance where price is right now from yesterday.
At what price?
30-minute.
Yeah. What price? 135,900.
135.8.
Minor resistance.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had it
From
like this earlier as well, but then now the candles seem to want to break it, so like it was drawn up like this. Is yours the same?
It's about. Mine's a little higher, but it's about the same range.
Yeah, because this was previous on the 30 was previous resistance, now tested as support, but because this candle closed like this, then I was like, okay, let's just take
You gotta change it.
Yeah, that's why I take it away.
Yeah, it's been a boring day today.
Yeah, man. Hopefully when Bailey is done.
I called it on your stream. I was like, it's gonna be a ranging day.
Yeah. We all know, right? When Bailey speaks at 10. Oh man. Oh, that rhymes.
There's some some underlying news that I didn't know about until this morning.
Which one? This?
That doesn't show up on anything. So there's going to be voting for new stimulus for America on the 1st.
Ooh. Where did you get that?
It's like in all the news over here. like it's for the rest. They call it the Restaurant Act. So basically, it's a bailout for small restaurant owners.
Oh, okay.
And so the big financial impact on it is that there's what's it called? The small restaurant industry. They employ like 16 million Americans or something like that. So I mean, it's not going to reflect on this month's NFP, but next month it should
show something.
Yeah.
Close below 600, resistance to continue bearish to 450. Let's have a look. 450. Yeah, I have my next area around 400, but yeah, same idea. SC, even if so the 30-minute and even a 1 hour is just messy because GJ is just ranging, so be very, very careful with your entries. No trade is also a trade. The 4 hour on GJ closed bearish though. Looks like it might want to come down.
Yeah, that's why I had a bias for a sell once I first looked at the charts, because when I opened it up on the 4 hour, this new 4 hour candle opened up with like barely any wick.
Yeah.
On the top side, and then the same with the hour and the same with the 30.
Yep, so, correct.
Hello?
Daniel, are you saying something?
Yes, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can. You took a shot on EJ, right? Earlier I saw.
Yeah, so I was just wondering, I mean, I think I took the right decision, I don't know, but let's say the news are at 8:45, I think, or at 9, right? Can you trade before and then, like, I already closed and everything. Can you trade before and then wait for the news, or there should be no trade because there are news in a couple minutes?
For me, if I know that I'm coming into news, right, I'll try my best to put my trade at break even, or I'll come out of it. Like, I don't want to be in the trade during the news. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah. So
but it is valid to take a trade before and then close and then the news, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Because I think you managed to grab 10 on this, right?
Yeah, about 9 pips I got.
Yeah, because I saw you taking a shot, then I was bored, so I went to look. So I was like, I saw this previous resistance and then it tested support. So when this bullish candle here, you took it off the 30 or the 50.
Yeah, I took it off the 30.
Yeah, so this candle wicked, and then when this one closed, barely making a top wick, right? I think that was a nice trade.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling better. Hopefully I can continue this.
Yeah, now you just need to keep your profits.
Yes, 100%. I already closed my MetaTrader and everything.
Oh, that's very good. That's discipline there.
I know some people, when they trade the news, like once they're in like decent profit and news is coming up and price starts to consolidate, they'll move their stop to like the bottom of the consolidation. So if the news goes in their direction, then they'll gain more profit. But then if it goes opposite of their direction, they won't
lose more.
Lose anything.
Would it be tightening their stop loss or loosening their stop loss?
Yeah, they would be tightening their stop loss to under the consolidate. So like, say they got into a trade at like 123.4.
Yeah.
50.
Okay.
And then was riding it up. Once it started consolidating.
Yeah, so like this, right? Then they went here.
Right.
Yeah. Then they would just put their stop loss like here. Yeah, that's fine. As long as your stop loss is in profit, it's fine. But don't expand your stop loss into news. That's death to the account. Because the spreads widen and then they take you out for even more. Yeah. Danger, danger. As a beginner, what leverage would you advise? 50 or 20? Either is fine, honestly. But I think 50 would be good. Oh, drop my pen. Yeah, that EJ trade was nice. Yeah, A-Rod, I think people trade different things here. Oh, okay, Hassan, no need to caps lock. Today I took not even a single trade because GU is dancing very good. That's very good. I think GJ will be range bound this week due to non-farm payrolls impact on GU and UJ this Friday. Yes. Wow. You guys close EJ well, man. Look at it. Oh, okay. I don't understand the back part. I only understand Universal Studio and Sentosa. Sorry, Touch. You need to type in English. Saya tak faham.
Nice.
What, did you understand what I said?
No, I was looking.
You gave me a shock when you went nice.
I was looking at GJ. How I just created a resistance. So
Yeah, testing this area,
back to
right?
myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bias is sells. Yes, I am sell sort bias as well. How is Singapore in lockdown? I think we are almost like 80% open. Gaming, I don't know. I post my winnings and losses on Instagram. I honestly don't keep track. Because last time when I kept keeping track of it, I realized I kept chasing. So now I just make sure I try to end each day profitable. So I have days like this as well. If you want, you can go stalk my Instagram and go count my win rate. I honestly didn't count it. Yep. There are certain measurements which I think would impede my trading style, so I just don't bother. Just like I don't have weekly goals, I don't have daily goals. I just know that if I take a good trade, it should hold and keep the account blue. Would you not? Why not consider this week fail price? This one. Yeah. So SC, if you look at this 15 close, right? This would be the wick fill, but it's not. I mean, if you wanted to trade it, yes, it could have been once it tested this zone here with the wick, and then you take it on the break of the body, but it would have been a impulse entry, so I don't take it. Yeah. Do I swing trade? Yes. I think I'm an intraday swing trader, if you really wanted me to define it.
I do have a question about this chart real quick.
Yeah.
So where price is right now, like if we close bearish right now on the 15-minute past this last bullish candle, I was looking for a sell, but should I be worried about that 4-hour support?
Yeah, so some people aren't really worried about it, because if you look here on the, so the reason why I put it up is just because of all these wicks previously, right? But if you look at it, apart from this candle, after that it just broke going down and broke going up, and then it paused again. So I think if you want to take it short from above the zone, right, just go in with half first, and then you can add on once you break it.
Because I was also looking at the support at 135, 660 or 650.
On the 30?
Yeah, on the 30.
Yeah. So it's this little box that I have, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So I was like kind of looking at that too.
Yeah. I think RJ was looking at this also. So to me, this whole area here right now is just problematic. I mean, zones are zones. Like support and resistances are zones, right? So this whole area is just, as we come into it, you just want to be more careful. So if you're taking a trade off the top, I would say just reduce the risk first until you come below this area. Because if you look on the left on the 1 hour, right, the candles are a lot cleaner there also, at least till this area here. Till 5, where's this? 450.
Right.
Yeah. Only one pair which moves well is EJ, yes, but EJ was stuck. So stuck last week. This is, yeah, the previous week. Yeah. So if EJ closes above, let's see. Ooh, EJ is a bit tough going up. I think if EJ breaks above this 1 hour zone at 123,730, right, there could be a small move for us to grab somewhere around this area till 800. Yeah, but it's risky. I do see the potential because the 4 hour closed, then there's new support being formed. But okay, never mind, it's pushing. So I would wait for new support to form off this 1 hour zone that I have. And then I'll be looking to take it up. Because if we look at the 4 hour on the left here, it's clean till at least, what's this? 130, 123, 900, 880 at least on the 4 hour. So this could be a move maybe that we could consider. One support forms at 123,700. Yeah. GJ looks bullish. I've been doing USD CHF New York Open. There's hardly any crazy moves on it, and it has the best price action. Nice. So as long as you understand the pair, I don't understand UC. I don't understand dollar franc, so I don't trade it. Yeah, bye RJ. Nice. I think you caught something. Yeah, nice. Bye bye. Oh, nice. Yeah, you can go enjoy the day. Don't need to sit through all this. Yeah, Hassan, GJ might be garbage on the left, but so is EJ now. It's coming into garbage as well, so just be careful.
Was there JPY news last night?
No. During Asia, right?
Yeah, Asia and
it was only like medium impact news. but nothing much.
Okay.
Yeah. Why?
Because I was just like, so that trade that I took yesterday on GU.
Mm.
Oh, not. I'm not thinking about. Okay, not JPY news. GP news.
Yeah.
Was there any last night?
No, I don't think so.
Because I was
Nothing
in.
during London as well. Unless you're talking about like this kind of news from the Eurozone, but it should not affect the pound. Yeah.
I was in decent profit with that trade that I took yesterday, and then it just turned around.
But your take profit was we were aiming for like what, 28, right? Or 28.2.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, I was aiming for on the 15-minute. You can see the support. I was aiming for that.
Oh, okay. But you got out blue still, right?
No, I got out break even.
Okay. Because you were off the desk.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but it was so slow. I think it was only near the crossover when it flipped. Then it went back up.
No, it was actually after it. So like when the sessions changed, like the spread widened, but it kept pushing down towards my take profit, and then it closed up. So then I was in decent profit. I knew I should have. I was like, should I close it? But then I was like, I kind of want to get away from closing trades early. So I was like, so I just moved my stop loss.
Yeah, but I think we also had to see how it formed. Technically, if it was pinning like 28,300, right, then that might have been a signal to close also. Because if we look at the 15 like this, so I don't know what time you're looking at it until. So if we look at it, right, look at all the candles. A lot of them didn't have top wicks. Notice? Yeah, so I might have just cut it already. See?
Right.
Yeah. Those that were supposed to have top wicks didn't have top wicks. Yeah. Because during this period of time, it's definitely low volume.
Right.
Yeah. But it's okay. At least you didn't go red. It's just something to know when you go near the change of session. How do I set levels? What do you mean? SAD? Like my zones? Yeah, future way GJ is ranging because I think firstly because he's speaking, Mr. Bailey, and also because GJ for month end is always slow. Bye bye, Andre. Oh, my zones. Yeah, let's snag him. Yeah. I'm in GJ buys. Okay. GJ is bull. If you look on 1 hour, it rejected, but the 1 hour has not closed. I see it, but it hasn't closed. Yellow lines are okay. Yeah, so all this you might want to take note of the numbers, so I'll send you the link on the YouTube chat. Plot them on your chart with those time frames, and then you should be able to see what I'm seeing. So like for example, this one's a daily chart, right? Just plot the line, go on your daily and have a look at what I'm seeing. Sooner or later you'll start to see it. It's just support and resistance. Clear 136 will be considering buy now. I think GJ will keep taking our stop. Yes. So this area, depth zone, do not take entries within this area. Depth zone. It's back. 15 minute, there's Nice rejection 4 times. Yes, I see it as well. This one, right? But I feel like you might get wicked. It's not going to be pain-free. It's not going to be stress-free, for sure. Do you think DXY will find support to go back up this week? I don't know. I don't look at the dollar index. Do you have an overall bias? Right now, on GJ, I am short biased. Like I'm more short biased if it breaks below 135,600, but right now it's just stuck. Because based on this latest 4-hour close, right? So we see this big candle previously closing and bullish. Then this next candle made a tiny wick slightly higher than the rest, and then it closed bearish. So I think it wants to come back in. Sigh. Yeah, so clean shots below. Let me put this up. Yeah, not stress-free 100%. Oh. Yeah, so SE, I think if you take like buys above 136, right? This range might be a bit tight because it's 13 pips. So just be careful if you're taking this. It's a bit tight for your 10 pip TP.
I'm not gonna jinx myself this time.
Why?
Every time I say out loud that GJ is gonna go in my direction, it just slips.
Yeah. Yeah. So like that's why even though the 1 hour rejected when green, I didn't trust GG. I just don't trust it until it closes. Yeah, so this area.
I mean,
yeah.
One of the lessons I had to learn the hard way, like early on in trading. Like, so when you're looking for buys and sells, you're not really looking for like green and red candles. I mean, because even you said that you used to trade with like colorless candles. So when I'm looking for buys and sells, I'm not looking for new candles. I'm looking for a break of structure. So like you can see that we're in a trend, but you want to see the first candle to deviate against that trend, and then you can go with the new trend.
Yeah, correct. Alright, sell position on GJ and my entry price is 135,765. Where is that? Oh, right at the bottom. Okay, 765. Let's see. Alright. Stop loss above the wicks at 972. I think you are trading in the range, so you really need to manage your trade. MPM. Hi L, where is the best place to read about candlesticks with wicks or without wicks? I misread them sometimes. Honestly, I don't think I've really read anything like that before. It's just like, you know, when people they talk about candlestick books, right? So I read this book before, but I don't think it's inside there. But you can try. So the book is here on the Discord channel. Then this PDF here. Yeah, you don't really have to read his strategy, but you can read about his candle, like what he talks about in the candles. So don't need to memorize the candle names as well. Just understand why the candle forms like that. Yeah, so just really manage it on GJ. Yeah, Uncle Ted explaining the wicks is also quite good. To me, I just feel like the wicks are where So if this candle is bullish, right, this is where the buyers managed to push it up, and this is where the sellers managed to get it down, like the lowest they managed to get it. So especially if we are approaching like, so like for example, this 1 hour candle here, right, there is a zone here at 135,600. The sellers managed to push it down to this area, but why did they not manage to push it down further if they were already coming down so much? So that should make you pause and think about it first before you enter your shorts. Because if the sellers pushed it down here, how come the buyers managed to close them out above this zone? So that's what we have to be thinking about.
It's all supply and demand.
Yeah. Ranger danger. Wow, EJ is just flying. So this hour close should be good. Going right to my zone. It's closing right at the previous resistance on the 30-minute. Here. Tony, you sent the link. I couldn't see it. I wonder how many people got in on the sales earlier just now on gold. That would have ripped their account, man. Shit. Wow, it was 60 pips. Came right to this previous 30-minute support and then boing, dead accounts. This whole area here. Yeah, Tony, let's have a look. Anyone trading gold when they don't know what they're doing is just gambling. It's not even about the lot size. Even if you take it with the tiniest of lots and you don't know what you're doing, it's still gambling, right? Future way. Not about the size. Took a shot at yesterday's high. Oh, nice. Yeah, so areas I would watch. I don't know how you trail your stops, Tony, but just watch out for this area here. So this is support that I'm seeing, and this area here, right, as you come down, and then finally your take profit here. Ding ding. Yeah, so just watch as you near these prices, but so far looks good. There were multiple rejections, then they were making lower highs basically. So nice. Khalid, are you cutting bread?
Yeah, I was looking at gold. So like the price that we're at right now is actually the last previous all-time high. So
Gold.
it's pretty major area
What time frame?
on the daily
Let's have a
and
look.
weekly.
You mean this area here? Like this area?
No, so if you look back to like maybe like 2017, that was the last all-time high.
Oh, that's interesting.
No, 2011. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Oh, that's interesting.
September was the all-time high.
What if it bounces higher? Ooh.
Yeah,
Previous.
gold
Yeah.
moves like crypto, so it's just like a expanding wave. So
Expanding wave. What if this is previous resistance being tested as support now?
mhm.
And
that's why I'm like a little testy about gold now, because it could be a retest of that resistance as a support,
yeah.
or we could be testing under it to confirm it as a resistance.
Yeah. So if we look at it on the daily, looks dodgy. Oopsie, my lines came back. Yes, definitely dodgy. How many pips is this?
A metric.
Wow. Shit. Look at this. This is 800 plus pips just on the wick.
Yep.
Holy. Someone's account web exploded. Not even like blown up. It's just exploded. Shredded.
The FBI will be at your door.
Yeah. Gold is also testing a trend line on the 8 hour. 8 hour. From the channel. Oh, it was traveling bullish inside before it broke down. Okay, that's a bit more technical now. What channel? 8 hour. Yeah, I think channels and trend lines are subjective. So I don't know where you drew it from, Akira. And I don't trade gold, so I'm just interested in it. Just trying to learn it. But this 8 hour chart is interesting because there's some kind of support here. From way back in July. Well, I mean, if you go on any time frame, you'll be able to see stuff.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at gold, and if you look at like any crypto pair,
Yeah.
like they look almost exactly the same. So
Really?
it's really, I don't know. There's like a lot of conspiracies about it and stuff. So
Yeah.
I just stay away from it when it gets to real big sentimental areas.
Yeah.
Because I know that it can go any direction.
Yeah, so GJ closed bearish, so that's why. Always wait for the close, guys. This would have ripped your account. Ripped you a new one. Danger. So there's still nothing on GJ because it's still closing within that range. So let's have a look at EJ. Oh, EJ did not want to give me an entry.
Ooh.
So for EJ, if we look at it on the 4 hour, it's approaching the previous resistance. So if we break above that, we might be able to get something to the daily highs. Yeah, this area's at 200. Yeah, 120 is the resistance on the daily, and then on the 4 hour, pushed up to about 200. So might be able to get something nice here. But now he is speaking. So let's see. Bye, Daniel. Nice catch on EJ just now and management. What do you use to make your Insta story posts? Oh, I use Canva. So Canva is free. Canva.com. Dun dun. Try it. It's free, babe. They have all sorts of templates for you. If you want to make an Insta story, just go in there and then they'll make everything's templated. I just need to change the words. Ta-da! Free. I like free things. What news today? Ta-da! Governor Bailey speaking. Trying to find out how long his speech is. Hey Sam. Okay, when you say that you just started learning Forex, right? Okay, so if you look at the Discord channel, yeah, so a few things you just want to keep with you. Just look at baby pips for a bit, just the beginning few classes, and then after that, look at this book to tell you a bit more about candlesticks. You don't have to read the entire thing about his strategy and whatever not, but the candlesticks part is quite useful. And then lastly, just go and get the simulator and then just play around with it. Don't play live, play on this thing. Yeah, that should help to speed up the process. Yeah, be right back. Rock that booty. Yes. Oh, YouTube recommended you to me. Me to you. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Welcome, welcome. There's nothing much. I am waiting for GJ to get out of this disgusting range here. So, yes. Where can I find the simulator? Yeah, everything's on Discord under trading resources. Yeah. For those that find it difficult to wait when the market is chopping sideways, just find something else to do. Like now, I'm just cleaning my helmet because I'm bored. And yes, Vic, I ride a motorcycle. Yeah, just do something else. No voice. Is there no sound? I think there's sound. Yeah, Ahmed, you might need to refresh your feed. Thank you, Marvin. Ask anything, send any charts. Always happy to look at it. Yeah. Okay. What do you write, Vic? Ooh, let's have a look. Ooh, nice. It's a street bike, right? Interesting. 2012. It looks like a Yamaha. Like the light. Cool. This is like the Kawasaki green. Is yours green? Think I learned from that. Trading times you don't practice on, you tend to lose. Yes, stick to your own trading times, John. You are right. At least you blew demos, not live accounts. So if you learned your lesson there, that's very good. I've got an error in my message on Discord where you say if you feel you want to invest. What? Where? What's that error? Bicycle.
Kawasaki.
Yeah. I ride a Honda. My helmet's filthy, man.
I always wanted to get a bike. My mother will die before I get one.
Yeah. Don't do it. Like, people ask me whether they should ride. I'm like, no. Then they're like, but you ride. And I'm like, yeah, precisely. Riders will
No,
tell you not
like
to.
my mother would literally like, I don't know what she would do if I get a bike. Like, I don't know what she would do.
Yeah, my mom wanted to like kick me out of the house when I got a bike.
I'm like, Mom, I'm like 30-something years old. What do you want from me? She's like, I don't care if you're 50. I don't care if you're 50. You're not getting a bike while I'm alive.
Yeah,
I
dude.
was like,
It looks cool, but it's so damn hot. We look like shit the moment we take our helmet. It's so hot
yeah,
in your
especially in
area
Saudi
too.
where it's like 50 degrees.
Yeah, why would you want to do that, man?
Nah, but like in the winter time, man, it's nice.
Yeah.
Like, cause like our winters, like we'll get to like what is it, 17, 18,
Mm-hmm.
right? Those are our winters. So like they're really nice, like driving weather.
Yeah.
For all those Americans out there, 17, 18 is like, 70, 60 degrees that don't know Celsius.
It had to be special. Just had
Yeah.
to be.
Yeah, I really did want to take this impulse entry on GJ.
Oh,
But
no.
I want to wait for
And GJ, I'm not even looking at GJ, man. I'm not even looking at nothing right now. Is he talking anyway? Is he talking?
Yeah. He wanted
Talking?
he wanted to take on an impulse, but he knew better. Yeah.
You need to break and close below.
Yeah.
135.65, I think. What is that?
Yeah, so below
135.
the zone. Yeah.
Yeah.
At least get below the zone with a close. Yeah, Booty, this is my bike. It's the 2019 model. This one. Red and white. I wanted to go for like the BMW.
Ooh, probably he's probably gonna drop with no retest. Watch.
Why you
Watch
gotta
it.
say that?
Watch it drop with no retest. Watch. I'm telling you, it's gonna do it. It's gonna do it.
Yeah, but it has
watch.
to, right? Because this 600 zone is strong.
No, watch it. It's gonna drop with no retest. Watch. I'm not entering anyway. By the way, guys, I'm not entering, but I'm just watching. But
Just
watch
watching,
this.
watching
I'm
GJ
just watching.
stab you. Yeah.
I was just watching how it kept rejecting the 135.8 area.
Yeah.
Oh man, I have a big ass feeling it's gonna drop with no retest. Watch. I'm just gonna laugh when it does it.
I think I saw earlier you're looking at Euro USD. No, I was looking at Euro Yen. I don't trade Euro USD. So Rob, the pairs that I trade are on the right side. And Rod, no, that's stereotypical. Why must my bike be pink? I would have gotten black, but my mom would have smacked me. Because drivers in Singapore are blind. yeah, they don't see us. I had a like neon blue bike before. I was stupid. Highlighter blue, best color ever. Hayabusa, no, I don't have like a class 2 license, and no, the Hayabusa is so big, and I do not like racing bikes. I like naked bikes and tourer. Shit. This is not even a tourer, it's like a... Okay, I forgot what it is, but yeah, I like this. Not a scrambler either.
My next car is gonna be a Bentley. I really want a Bentley.
Evan, Singapore drivers are blind. Not all, but a lot of them are blind.
I really want a Bentley. Like, you don't even know how bad I want a Bentley.
The Continentals are badass.
The
Yeah.
coupes are crazy.
Yeah, look at GJ breaking. Come on, come
I'm telling
on.
you, it's gonna drop with no retest. Watch. I called it. I called it first, guys.
Yeah, we want it to break strong. So.
Ooh, look. I'm telling you. I know GJ.
Without a wick. What if it does without a wick? Then damn. Ooh, MT07. Yeah. I learned my riding on that. I considered the MT07, then I was like, nope, I'm gonna get the MT05. I'm gonna get the Honda instead. Because I don't think the MT07 will look nice with a box behind. And I need the box. Ooh, Ronette, did you want to... What happened? Were you going long just now? You don't think there's support at 450 30 minutes? Let's see. 450. Yeah, here, right? So if you're breaking this strong zone, the 4-hour zone, right? Essentially, you would be breaking minor zones as well on the 30. So this is a minor support, minor support. So if you go up to like the 1 hour and the 4 hour, then yeah, I think it's tradable to those levels.
When a stronger zone is broken, the smaller time frame zones are easily broken.
Yeah, correct. Because these are just hour zones. Because if you look at the 4 hour, it should be clean candles. Yeah.
Potential wick fill.
Guys,
What's up, Kevin?
just wanted to let you know I was actually in that trade. I entered when the 1 hour closed. Under the higher zone, yeah, that one, and then I entered. So I was holding it. It got close to my stop loss, but from an hour perspective, I thought it was strong enough to stay.
That's a good trade. You should be up right now, right?
Yeah, I just closed like 70% when I hit 10%.
Was your stop loss above this area here?
Yeah, it was right there.
Ooh, okay. You should have hit 10 already. Easily.
Yeah. So when you were saying like you were saying it's gonna go down like that, I was like, yes.
Yeah. Yes, please. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute to break, close below, then I will enter. So if GJ wants to continue down like this, I'll enter on the retest. So retest, we all know, can come in wicks, can come in bodies. So we'll see how this candle closes first. Earlier I called bullish bias, but you said to wait for the hourly to close. Ooh, yeah. I hope you weren't in. EJ close to TP. Yes. Ooh, you caught it. Nice. So on the 4 hour, I think it's above that 4 hour resistance. So now if you're in it, just manage it accordingly to continue up to maybe 124 or 100. Emil, how many R was your dollar cat, man? That's disgusting. 8 R? No, 10. Ooh, John, where do you get this news? BOE Bailey's economic activity in Q3 probably 7 to 10% lower than it was pre-COVID. Why you gotta say something so dull? Where did you get that news? Is his speech done? Do you know, John? FX Street. Okay, let's have a look. Am I a full-time trader? Yes. But I do not rely on trading as a full-time income because that's very, very stressful. Holy Emil. I'm gonna analyze that chart later. Wow, look, FX Street is interesting. They break up the economic calendar by like big news. That's interesting. If GJ goes back in that range without respecting resistance, I will call it a day and run. Wow, I still have my legs. Yeah, GJ is mean. Oh man, AJ, look at this. You need to scold it.
Yeah, my one back and hit my break even.
Oh, did you secure, Kevin?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
it hit my runner.
Yeah.
Wow, what a wick.
Yeah, I'm just break even for today though. Earlier.
Yeah, I'm break even as well. It's fine. I think today, on days like this, when GJ is just ranging the entire day, if you end profitable, it's a big bonus. If you're, oh my god.
Wow, what the hell?
Oh my holy shit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, GJ. Yeah, he said something, didn't he?
Yeah, he probably did.
Yeah, that's why you don't touch it.
Yeah, I want to clap for GJ now.
Oh man, if this breaks like 200, oh.
Holy. Yeah, he definitely said something. What did you say? What did you say? GJ. What the beep? Oh man, what's this nonsense? Yeah, this is why we don't touch news. Holy shoots.
I'm glad I was out.
Yeah, I'm glad you were out before it flipped like that though. It would have gotten you even deeper into your trade.
Oh my god. Like, it would have hit my stop loss like that. I was debating to either put my runner's stop loss at break even or just leave the stop loss where it was.
Oh
originally.
No.
Yeah.
Remember, Raja always says
I followed my discipline.
Yeah. If you went into 10 pips profit and then you didn't secure, if you lose, we'll not feel sorry for you. Neither will GJ. Wow, GJ. Wow.
How many pips is this?
About like 40, 50?
I don't even know. Look at this.
Looks like 50-ish.
If it hits 130.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
It's gonna break the high. It's 200.
Holy.
But there's no way I'm taking a buy now. Like, there's no way. I can't.
Look at where it's stopping. Look. On this 30 close. If it stops here, I'm gonna laugh.
Short it. Short it.
Bye bye, GJ. Bye.
That's one hell of a minute, Candle.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah. Why do I prefer dark background? I don't know. Everything of mine is... Yeah, I feel like the white background is blinding, man. It's blinding. I use Pepperstone for my broker. Oh, look, it filled the daily wick. And then it's continuing up. Oh, look at the daily candle. There's no bottom wick. It's going to the moon. Holy. Oh, look at where it stopped. That's annoying.
On the daily, that should be that retest I was waiting for.
Yeah. Where?
Yeah, it's resistance there.
Ay, ay, ay. Why this move happen? I think Bailey said something. I'm trying to find it. It's not appearing. Like even it's not this, I think.
What are the odds of the candles just reflecting what happened on the left on the daily?
No, I don't think so. This is too much. This is just one push in
Yeah.
a minute, man. It's most likely news.
Much fun. Yeah. It has to
Yeah.
we have never seen DJ move like that unless it's move.
Yeah, on its own, yeah. It's usually news induced. Come on, news sites, give me something. Probably FOMC member said something. Could it be? I thought they speak after him. They're not due yet. Unless it's this guy. But no, it's a bit too late. The FOMC is after this dude. Unless it's this? No, it's definitely not. Holy GJ. Well, if it forms support here, we can take it back up. to fill that 1 hour wick, right? So let's see. There's speech by UK governor. Oh no. UK friends, send me a link please if you have something. Wow, Vance, that is some really risky trade. But since May, there has been quite a sharp and fast recovery. Okay. He was probably bullish on the recovery, that's why. Wow. Teacher owner, 17 profit, then GG boom. I think we've smashed your stop loss, right? Because you were short, if I'm not wrong. Ooh, is there something that happened on the yen? Let's have a look. It didn't move EJ though. This was already moving earlier. What caused that spike? I think I am not 100% sure, but it could be his positive sentiment on.
Oh my goodness gracious, what's going on?
This is what
What?
Yeah.
too much volatility.
Oh wow, Bailey, what you
I
talking,
told
man?
you we should have shorted. We should have shorted. From the top, I called it.
Wow.
Short.
Wow, can you
There's
imagine?
always a fake out. There's always a fake out. When there's news, it goes like all the way up and then it comes all the way back down. It always does that.
Oh no, guys, do not. Come on. If you enter now, you're gonna
Oh, I'm not
shred
entering.
your account, man. Do not, please do not. No
Yeah, spreads
banks.
are widening it up too. So
Yeah.
yeah, my
When
spreads
there's
getting.
wick from both sides, that's volatility, like crazy volatility.
Yeah.
Good luck with those shorts, Marcio.
Yeah, man. Do
Look
not.
at those, man.
Look,
Just going crazy. Just going haywire right now. I mean, I would not like to be in this trade right now.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Zoom guys, I trust you guys won't take any trades, but I saw people taking trades on this big candle. So I'm like, Vance, please, shh. Whoever's giving the speech must be rapping. One positive sentiment, one bearish sentiment. Let's go. Yeah.
That's right back and dab in the middle.
Yeah.
He put a
waiting for some more news.
There's no more trades. Please turn off your computers and go back to sleep or go back to
Oh
work.
man, I feel sorry for whoever had a stop loss.
Yeah, man. We just got smacked. Twice.
Yeah, literally.
Twice.
Literally. Whoever did that. This is why you use a stop loss, guys.
Yeah, man.
Like whoever was short with this 15-minute candle or 30-minute candle started going lower and breaking, you should have your stop loss. Because this candle, oh my god.
Yeah, that's what happened to my runner. I put my stop loss at break even. It just like completely destroyed it.
Yeah, like that's why you
Destroyed.
use it, right?
Yeah.
But did it move like too fast for it to catch your stop?
Yeah.
No, it did catch my stop, but it just got me out real quick. I didn't even see it.
Yeah.
It's on MT5, so I think it's really good.
That was another reason why I changed my broker, because of slippage.
Yeah.
Because of what?
Slippage.
Slippage, like when you
Slippage.
when the market moves too fast and like
Yeah.
it doesn't catch your execution points.
Yeah, I was long out.
Oh,
My broker doesn't have MT5. I'm not still stuck in the what do you call it? The golden ages or whatever you call it. With MT4.
Wow, my run is not even in my history. I don't know what's going on. It just disappeared from my history.
Yeah, Ryan, if you're up, get out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Run.
Go get that coffee.
Yeah.
Wait, does this happen?
What?
So like I took 70% off. I took profits. It's there on my history, on my trading history. My runner is like it got stopped out, and it's not even in my history. It doesn't show anything.
Refresh.
Like I never took the.
Refresh your MetaTrader platform. Sometimes if the trade goes too fast, the brokers need a bit of time to update. Yeah.
You have to like
Writing your apology
open.
letter.
Is there a
Ooh.
refresh button or do you have to put it?
Yeah, you were right. I was in shorts. My target was 15 to 20. Holy, you were so lucky. Booms. Booms. Boom, boom, boom.
Just came back right where it started.
Yep. It left and it came back. Stupid.
Yeah, so who's short, guys? Who's short? Who's taking shorts right now?
Whoa. I'm long.
It's a retest.
Yeah. Has anyone had a problem executing a trade with Magic Key? Yeah, sometimes you just gotta restart the MetaTrader platform.
I want to see what they're saying in Slack.
They probably run for the hills. Yeah. Oh, look, someone gambled and got 40. Yep. This guy threw darts at his face. Oh man, if GJ just closed out of the range, that would have been good, but it's just like back where it was. That's a dumb move. Whereas EJ just is like a slow and steady train. Any idea what the news was? I think it's just Bailey having some kind of positive sentiment on the COVID situation. And then after that, he went, "Oh, but chill guys, you still need to stay home. Please stay home. The economy is not doing that well. Damn it." Then it comes back down. I'm rich, 10 seconds later, oh damn it, I'm poor. So true. This is a disaster candle.
You just got last week reversed.
Yeah. Why GJ gotta do this?
Have you looked at the 1 hour yet?
This is like a middle finger. This is a big middle finger. Can I explain this? It's just news. Bailey, that's Bailey speaking. He probably had some kind of... Yeah, he probably said something. It's not showing it, so I cannot tell you anything either. So, I think every time he speaks, let's give him an hour. The hour hasn't ended, so yes.
Can't even begin to imagine like how much money the banks made off of going 72 pips in both directions.
Yeah, I don't want to know, man. They probably grabbed like buyers here, and then they grab them here. Top and bottom. Damn. Support 30 minute. Close bullish. Executed buys. Didn't secure because... Ooh, ouch. Ooh, I think on this 30, right, Marcel, they had a baby wick. So be careful on the entry long. These baby wicks tend to do this a lot of the times. More often than not. That's what I've noticed.
Yeah, I saw that, but I was like looking left, it and looks good,
The
you know,
clean.
like left it was like clean kind of
Yes.
spot.
Yeah, correct. So GG likes to do that. He likes to
Yeah,
induce you
just-
into a buy when it's
Yeah,
clean on
yeah,
the
yeah.
left and then it smacks you. This was...
Cause looks like a pretty nice support over there.
Yeah. Yeah, but I've learned like the wicks matter. Wicks don't
Yeah.
lie. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but your
But
trade
the risk
management was
it
good.
was good, yeah.
Yeah, it was good. Minimal loss, I think.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, reading that article, who put that in the chat? Reading that little article that someone put in the chat,
Yeah.
it definitely shows why it went up and then back down. Because like it says both good and bad. It says that the economy was stronger than expected, and then it says that the activity was probably about 7 to 10% weaker than before.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, okay.
Yep.
Oh man, oh man.
I am not sure whether he's still speaking, Bailey.
Is he done speaking?
I have no idea, to be honest. But I mean, can he speak for more than an hour? I hope not. Yeah, I'm trying to find news, but there's nothing. Like, I don't see anything that's telling me that he's done. Ay. I understand now why we're not supposed to play in a range. Yeah. This is danger. That's why I drew up the big red box. Danger, danger. So 15-minute close, bearish on EJ. I'm gonna look for bullish movement on EJ for support to form. I mean, sales confirmation was 136 zone. Ooh, okay. Yeah, what confirmations were there? The rejection, right? Is some trading news or like everyone exiting their position, creating volatility, and a small long short difference would it drift? Honestly, this is just banks squeezing you from the bottom and squeezing from the top.
Damn, King of Kuwait passed away.
Who?
King of Kuwait
Ooh.
passed away. It's a good deal. Yep, that's a pretty big deal.
The guys were saying about how they catch the stop loss, like that liquidity. I can't find news on this move. There's so much news. Bailey everywhere. So much UK news. Ta-dun. GJ 4 hours still in buy bias. I think Chichaona, I think it's actually ranging for the 4 hour. So if you look down, range, all of it is ranging. The only one that is bullish now is the daily. Oh, sorry, John. Yeah, I was just thinking, I don't know what confirmations LXB had, so that's why I don't understand the shorts too. The only reason like anyone would have short it is just cause it's a level.
And we can't get a break from news today.
Yeah, man. Don't like EJ right now cause the 4 hour resistance. Let's see. This one here, Marcel. So I thought, to me it broke above on the 30 and then now it's retesting. Yeah, so I'm kind of waiting for this one to form support. Where's your 4-hour resistance? Where? The wick?
Yeah, we have 2 hours to close the 4 hours. I don't know. And I don't like this resistance.
Where, this one?
The left.
This,
Yeah.
the wicks here?
Yeah. I
Ah,
don't like that.
okay. Yeah, plus if we look at EJ, right, it really moved.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's
I
also
agree.
making me concerned. Plus, if I'm gonna be entering off this 15, ooh, this close better be strong. Because it's not it's not a very nice risk reward either. So I might just give it a miss. Because even if I take it to 124, 200, it's iffy. Oh. Oh no, John, I wasn't questioning you. Like, I was asking the same question as you. I really didn't see any confirmations for the shots here. Yeah, I wasn't. I know you know your stuff. You sent charts before. Is EJ at a lower low or higher low on the higher time frames? This would be a higher high and a higher low on the 15. Yeah, so EJ is kind of overextended if you look at the 4-hour. So that's why I'm a bit more cautious about this long. Yeah, I'm not in it yet. I'm just seeing how it closes. EJ pushing its daily range. Let's see. I used to use... Ooh, where's... EJ exceeded its daily range. Exceeded. So yeah. Bye, Essie.
It's not my breathing this time.
Oh, no, no, no.
I hear breathing and it's not me.
It's... Yeah, I hear background noise. Okay, sorry Gary, I gotta mute you for a bit. Yeah, so on EJ, yeah, if it closes, it's gonna close so weak. So, nope. Nope. The risk reward sucks as well for me to take it to this daily zone. It's only, I think, less than 1 hour if I break the wick, or just nice 1 hour. So yeah, not for me, even if it closes above. I have Euro USD at the 50 FIB zone. Euro Yen is nearing its own. Rob, based on the, where's your FIB drawn up on? Please see your background location full screen. What? Don't understand. Already on EJ? No. Candle has not closed. Yeah, Serum on the 1 minute EJ would definitely look like buys because it's bullish, right? But that's not strong confirmation. What am I trading now? Nothing. I'm just looking at how EJ closes on this hourly. So hour still bullish. 30-minute flipped. So yeah, let's have a look. So the thing is, I see the wicks on the left as well. The thing that concerns me is this daily zone at 120. But on the 4 hour, the body is still about 200. It's definitely gonna be a risky trade if I take this. Yeah, EJ is gonna close decent. You still got your 3 bullets. Technically 2, because the earlier trade was at break even. But if I hit this EJ trade, it will only be for half risk. Nothing more than half. Yeah, but I'm waiting for the close. If it closes with a baby wick, oh man, then I might not enter it. Or no wick, then I might not enter. 21st July on 4 hour candle looks like the same. Marcel on EJ. 21st. Yeah, Marcel, which part? Like what?
Yeah, just watch out, you know.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
like
yeah.
a strong resistance there.
Yeah, that's why I'm only taking it to this area. I'm not going to this area. No. Yeah, I definitely see it.
It's not my trade time right now, just like saying shit.
No, it's good to, like, I might have missed something out, so yeah, that's why. All right, let's have a look. 1 hour close bullish, 30 close bullish, rejected that zone. The 15-minute form support. Ooh, closed above the previous candle. Okay, let me check left. The 1 hour above the most recent resistance, clean on the top. Yeah, I think this is worth half risk. Let's let it pull down first. Create a wick and then I'll take it when it comes back up. I'm not in yet. I'm just waiting for it to pull back up. If it doesn't, then no trade. Yeah, I see that's overextended. Trust me, I see it. That's why it's only half risk. Plus, I'm not in yet. You think that GJ wick is gonna be filled? I'm not taking anything within this range. And the hourly close on EJ, this is nothing. This is news. It doesn't give me any info for me to take a trade on GJ. What do you mean by overextended? William, so if you look at, like, so this is easy. So if you look at the 4-hour look, it just kept pushing and pushing and pushing. So this is an overextended move. Because it didn't even pause. Right? So if you look on the 1 hour, it just kept going up. So that's why I'm a bit more wary. Plus the average daily range for EJ is blown. It's definitely blown. Yeah, GJ has no trade. It's definitely stuck in the range. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just waiting. Giving it a while. But Doesn't look like it wants to flip. Let's check news. Yeah, I don't like Ahmad. I don't look at EU, so I only look at EJ. Oh, there's a debate tomorrow. Oh, Asia should be exciting. Whoever trades Asia. So during our time, we have, let's see, some Euro news, ADP, UK inflation news. NZD retest, I don't know. I don't trade the Kiwi. Would you like to send a chart? I can have a look.
Hello.
Hey. Possible that EJ is rejecting 123,950. Let's see. Oh, we flipped. Yeah. Bye, Rick. Thank you for everything. See you tomorrow. So yeah, this trade. Let me put up. Yeah, William. It was the second time, so for anyone that wants this trade, I took it with really small risk when it flipped above the body. Yeah, very small risk. Because like it's really overextended. I know. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking 80 off here as well. It's like this. No trades on the pound. It's stuck in the range. Same for GU as well. Stuck.
I'm just waiting on it breaking this this support here.
GU or GJ?
GJ.
Yeah.
I'm basing it off of the 1 hour, but I'm looking for entry on the 15.
Yeah. This candle's irrelevant, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm not taking into account.
Yeah.
Especially on the 15 because it just makes everything look sloppy. Like it doesn't even make sense there.
But this is definitely a news candle when we see a giant wick like this. Yeah, it's just super news induced. EJ is probably gonna crawl for me. Hang on. Where is... I think it was Akira. Yeah. Hey Akira, what... So I used to use this indicator for ADR, right? What are you using? Just curious. If you're still here. How big is my stop? 15, around 15, like this. So my stop loss is at 123,838. Yep, I know it's risky, that's why I only hit it with even less size than before. The reason why I considered it, right, is because the 1 hour, this 1 hour candle, which is closed, broke all these previous highs on the left, and then there's clean candles on the left side here, on the hour at least. That's why I considered it with very tiny risk. Are you still watching GJ? No. It's just stuck. But then... And then London's closing in 45 minutes. Oh, Future Way, you haven't gone to bed. I thought you left. Yeah, don't take this Future Way, it's risky. This is risky. Do not take it. Yeah, don't take it. Which trading platform I use? Pepperstone. My broker is Pepperstone. My execution platform is MT5. Oh man, Vans. Yeah, buy Relay Gaming. You have bought 20 lot of Euro USD, tell you trend. If you bought 20 lots, you should know the trend. Send a chart, please. And yes, I only need to see it once. Yeah. Okay, so now this 15-minute close like this. If it closes below, if it breaks below this previous 15-minute candle, I'm going to cut half. So that's how I'm managing the trade, right? If you use Pepperstone, why have your chart got Wender? I'm thinking of going with Wender. You need to check the spreads on each of the brokers, and then this is just for me to mark up. I don't execute on this platform. I just prefer using Wender's charts because they don't have gaps. Are you still trading with M4? Yes. It just copies. Like, I don't execute on it. Which is okay, Manish. I am not blind. You can type in one time is enough. Okay, this is like the last warning. I'm not gonna like block you, please. Once is enough. And I don't need it to be in caps. I use this Tradingview for chart markups. Yeah, I rob, so I usually give first warning and then the guys will do the rest. If you guys don't chew him up first. Yeah. But I'm curious, Manish, you bought, right? You went long on EU. Let's have a look. I'm really curious where you bought it because EJ is struggling, EU would be too. So I'm very curious. Yeah. Did you buy it at 174? Did you buy it at 173? Where is your buys? Yeah, it's okay. Bhupendra, it's okay. But that's just a Zoom background, it's not my house. Ooh, welcome, Vance. Hi L, what are your thoughts on holding EJ buys to 124,800? Let's see. I honestly am only confident of price actually going to about 124,200. Adam, did you enter on the 1 hour or something like that? Because if I look at the daily, right, this was like the previous resistance that was made. So 800 is here. I think you would need to get through this area first. I get tied up in the significance of the 30-minute chart. Do you take 30-minute support resistance as same value as the 1 hour support? No. So Rob, if you see my support and resistance zones, they have daily, 1 hour, and like 4 hour written on them, right? Like on GJ. So the higher the time frame, the more attention I pay to them. Yeah. Oh, Manish, you entered at 174. Let's have a look. That is interesting. All I can say is good luck. Yes, really good luck. You bought at the top, man. That is really dangerous. Adam, you bought at 123,625. Let's see. Oh, very low. Nice. Is your stop loss like locked below the zone here? You see my gray zone? Yeah, I would put it below, like secure your profits. Yeah, so there we go. When someone sends a chart like that, you just need to ask them where they bought it. Oh, Gary, no worries. I just had to mute you because there was a conversation going on. Yeah, I didn't want to intrude. How long is your duration for this trade? So I'm gonna manage it to like the London close, and then I'll probably go off with whatever that I have. It's crawling. It's really crawling. My only concern for GJ is 1 hour resistance at I think it's EJ. 124.05. Yeah, so future way, you're right. So when I saw like the wicks were just stopping around this area, that's why I really sized down after that. But I still think it at least would reach 120, at least. Yeah, Vance, what's your ADR indicator? I'm just curious. I lost my previous one. That's the only indicator I use. Bye, Samuel. Wow, GJ just bounced off. Holy. Khalid, I hope you didn't enter. Oh no. Oh shit. Entered here based on this candle? No, right?
Off of the next candle.
When it broke here?
Yeah.
Oh. But you're out, right?
Yeah, but I'm only doing like half risk right now, but I put the stop loss over the
30?
The 1 hour. Let me see.
1 hour candle.
1 hour zone.
This one here at 800?
Yeah. At
Okay.
833.
Okay. Wow, definitely. The pound is whacked.
But I'm aiming for like what is that? Between 40 and 60 pips. So risk to reward isn't bad.
Yeah. Go. Go just went chopstick and then now it's going up. This. And my EJ is just not moving. I'm gonna give it to like the last London close and then I'll just cut it wherever it is. Because honestly, I don't think it's going anywhere. Tough. What's with the long wicks? Yes, pretty. There was Bailey news on the UK, from the UK earlier. He said something, I don't know what, but there was quite a bit of stuff. Ding ding. This one. Is that a huge stop loss? Shriram, no. because if you look at where I'm taking profit, right? I'm aiming for 124,200. But I have so right now my stop loss I'll be shifting it on this 30-minute close to this red line here at 123,911. Stop loss is dependent on your trade management, so don't follow my stop loss if you don't really trade like how I trade. EJ seem to be respecting weak resistance about around 123,997. Yeah, the wicks here are just problematic. EJ should not be crawling right now, yeah. I've noticed that the London close volume only comes in the last 15 minutes. So that's why I'm still waiting. Hey Zhao, you are on late. Don't take GJ, there's nothing.
Yeah, it's over.
Yeah, GJ is constipated.
Gonna head out a little early today.
You?
Yeah.
Yeah, go off, man. There's really nothing. The chart's so gross.
Have a good one.
Bye bye. Yeah, so Rob, you're right. So when I entered EJ, right, I was like, ooh, I'm very near 124. So yeah, I took that into account as well. Is it the behavior you found on Euro pairs? It's the behavior that I found on these 3 pairs that I trade. Let's have, so Manish, whoever you are, I hope you have a stop loss. You're hanging by a thread. But I hope your stop loss is here, man. Bye bye, Munen. Farewell, farewell. Yes, Muhammad Fadila. It's just something that I noticed, so you might need to have a look at it as well, because it's just an observation that I made. Vance, is your ADR on EJ like, let's see, is it like 63 pips? Just need to see whether it's accurate. If not, I'll throw this indicator away. In London close, most of them will close their positions. How will London close bring volume? So if they're closing their positions, there's a surge in volume. I do see 1 hour divergence on EJ. Oh. TDR 101. Oh, you use TDR? Oh, today's daily range 101. Eee, this ADR indicator sucks. It's telling me 63. Yesterday 83. Okay, I'm throwing this indicator away. Sucks. Let me see. Oh, I think it was this. Let's see. Okay, nope, not this. okay, forget it. Do you think being a student I should be focusing on just one good trade? Okay, I have 3 years until graduation, and I think by that time one trade a day will be enough for a living. Yes. If you can't be disciplined, really, there's nothing that can help the trading account, honestly. Plus you're juggling a lot of things, so just take one trade a day and then go off and enjoy your schooling days. Why not ATR? I think average true range and average daily range is a little different, I think. Let's see. I've always been using ADR, not ATR, so it's just a preference. Yeah, I don't really know how to read this. Because ADR is like the number of pips it moved, right? It's an actual number. This trade is very troubling. Yes, I know, but I know you've been telling me about it since earlier. Yeah. Don't worry, Muhammad Fadila. I sized appropriately. EN. Okay. What I like to do if I'm eager or really want to trade and realize this is risky, I take it on demo and wait to see what happens. Yeah, that could be a plan too. ADX. Ooh, thank you, Rick. Let me have a look. Rick, which one? Shoots. Yeah, I will. Don't worry. Yeah, so John, like the thing is, I either take a trade or I don't take a trade, right? So for me, like personally, I feel like if I take it on demo, I'll be more inclined to take more trades that aren't really in line with what I'm seeing. So it's either I risk lower on live or I don't even press it on demo. Because I feel like sometimes if I press it on demo, fingers get itchy. Then I want to do it on live. You get what I mean? It's just different styles. Yeah, Rick, do you have like the indicator name? Help. What's this? Nope, definitely not this. When I analyze my data, if I stick to one trade a day, my win rate is over 70%. Yes. Yeah, that's a very, very good win rate. Stick with it. I took sell at... Oh man, future way, why? You already went off. Come on. Oh no, Rick. Like, it's okay. It's not on Tradingview, is it? Yeah, itchy fingers are the worst. I had a problem with overtrading and honestly opened my eyes to see how crazy losses become. Yeah, so that's a good strategy as well. If you clicking on the demo, then you start seeing that account like go into deeper and deeper drawdown. Then sometimes it's a wake up call as well. That's a good strategy. It's just, yeah. I think I've been hurt too many times until I don't need that. Like my fingers aren't even itchy anymore. I just find other stuff to do. Yeah. Thank you, Proti, for coming. No worries. I think, yeah, just measure ADR yourself, save the trouble. Yeah, I agree. Tradingview indicators are weird. It's just sometimes I'm a bit lazy. I just want to see a number print there because I know I used to have the ADR indicator, now it's gone. I overtrade way too much. Oh. Getting at 430 and only taking one trade doesn't seem right. Yeah. Control. When the risk to reward ratio is 1:2, at how many pips should you take partials? William, I don't really think it's based on the risk reward. It depends on how you personally manage your trade. Like, even if the risk reward is 1:2, right? You can take partials at 10. So it doesn't matter. So it's dependent on yourself. Do I use a journaling app? Yes. So Budi, if you're on the Discord, I have a journaling. I'm gonna paste it. Then I use this template here. You can check it out. I don't use Trello anymore. Yeah, Abdul. 70% win rate is really very sick. If you can keep that consistent, you do very well when you go live after school. Which way? Yeah, my stop loss is below already. This red dotted line here. Did I close 50%? No. I didn't. It didn't hit me. Did not hit me. Do I take the day off on NFP days? No. But I just don't take trades. I try really badly not to take trades. Be getting that journal link on the chat. William, if it's on the Discord. So it's inside under trading resources, the first one. Oh, actually I can paste it. 1 second. Yeah, because inside that... Oh, I can paste it. Yeah, inside the trading resources, there's a few other like fairly useful stuff. So you might want to check that out as well. It's free. Victor, no. The group does not like background music. So... But you can put your own music because I don't talk all the time. Yeah, it's on purpose. I deliberately use a small demo account. My wins are very small going live. I want to increase amount but scared of losing. So right now, use the same size as what you're using on the demo when you go live. And then once you get more comfortable live at that point in time, increase it again. But start with the same size as your demo now. Will there be a rollover fee if trade is still open after the London session closes? No. I think most brokers usually have a close around 4 p.m. Eastern, New York close. Yeah, so swap doesn't apply yet. Yeah, Rob is right. It's around that time. Do I tutor? I have mentorship, but it's full now. I tutor little kids. But my mentorship is full now, Marquez. Okay, so now let me shift my stop loss. Okay, so now that it broke above the wicks, right, I'm like somewhere here. When is open enrollment? Marquez, once I'm done with the current group, if you follow me on Instagram, I usually do like an announcement there. Like on my Instagram. Yeah. And then I think that's when you'll know, because I really need to see how the current group does first. Ooh, EJ's gonna get me. Okay, almost. Okay, I'm out. Yeah, this was how much? Yeah, I reduced this by 1/3. Okay, I take that as a mini win. Yeah, it was risky. Like I was willing to put that little bit of like money on it. It was risky, I know. That's why look at how I manage my trade. You guys have never really seen me manage my trade so tightly before. Yeah. Okay, no more trades for me. That's all. Nice, Hoji, nice. Yeah, when it went up, broke the wicks, right? I was very quick to tighten my stop. Yeah. Yeah, Vance, nice one. Once it passed this week, I was like, okay, it's time to tighten. Yeah, that was like my management for this one, because it was risky, right? So I'm not gonna let it hit me full in 15. That's just not proper risk management. Why am I even trading now? Because London hasn't closed. Look at that. 4 hours. For EJ, Marcel. Yeah, it's resisting this area now. Yeah, I know. I definitely know Muhammad. Don't worry. Bye bye, Hoji. Nice trading. Bye bye, bye bye. Ooh, if EJ smacked me like that, Uh-oh. Shorted the break EU. Ooh, yeah, this support here, Rob. Oh man, now I see what you mean by overtrading. Bro. Come on, London's closing, be careful please. There's no wick on this. No bottom wick. So, please be careful going lower. Where is Mr. 20 lots? He's screwed. Nice, bro. Nice. Yeah, manage it carefully because London close is happening. No wick on the bottom, so just manage it. Like how I managed my EJ trade. It was risky, but yeah, I only lost like 1/3. I think that's a win. Yeah, I didn't mean. I'm sorry, it's kind of mean, but 20 at the top. You gotta be kidding me, man. There's no legit. If you took it here, I would accept it. You took it here. What the hell? No, 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 no. Is there a cost for my class? I don't have a class. This is lesson. It's free. Those guys on the Zoom, some of them are from Raja's Slack channel, and then some of them are like my own students. So if you want closer attention, then just go in to the Zoom. Anyone in for the 1 hour wait fill on GJ? No, 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 not me, Zhao. Why is Euro USD crashing? This is not a crash. I think it's just EU and EJ just reacting to some kind of level. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. I think, yeah, see, if it's on the 4 hour, right, it's coming to some kind of support over here. That's why I reacted. My entry was 27.27, but I already closed 75. Yeah. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, what's 27.27? I think that's on GU. On GU, right? Yeah, VB, I usually stream. So if you go on like my Instagram and click this link here, the timings are there. Ta-da! 5 to 6:30 and after Raja is done. Man, I usually don't take EJ today and it stopped you up twice before going in your direction. Oh man, Zhao. Yeah, I thought you don't even touch EJ. Yeah, It's okay, just remember this and don't repeat it, that's all. Slap the like button. Took a sell at 123. Wow, Vance, over trading much. Bro. Slap the that just makes me laugh. Slap the like button. Not gonna say no to free mic. Come on, man. You know better than that. London's closing, Vance. But I think you'll get out before then. Sold USD but don't know where to put TP. There are so many supports. Shive, send your chart. Let me have a look at your zones. Is this the volume of the London close? Yes. Last 15 always has this kind of funny movements. Oh nah, Muhammad, there's no like sell entries. Like there's no sell confirmations for me. That's why. I think only Vance went in along with me. Yeah, there's no sell confirmations for me. Only buys. I didn't find any entry today. Yeah, it's okay. GJ is a mess. Is that his name now? 20 lots. Yeah, just means you didn't lose any money. That's a win. Hello, first time here. You trade only 4 pairs? No, I don't trade gold. I'm just watching it. But I trade the top 3. So if you're the first time here, if you need to know the stream timings, go to my Instagram. This is the handle. Click the link here. Timings are here. And the link is here too. Easiest way, just hit subscribe. Yeah, that's fine too. Oh, 20 lots is not here. I only have... See? I only have you guys. Yeah, 20 lots is gone.
Hey Eleanor,
Yeah,
do
what's
you
up?
have any idea what happened with GJ for those crazy moves?
Yeah, I think it was Bailey. So I think it's this one here. Yeah, Bailey spoke. So if you look at my FX book, he had some kind of speech here. So
Okay.
yeah, I think he was positive and then he said something again. So yeah, it's all
Was
this.
crazy.
Yeah, it was crazy. So like when we were approaching it, I just didn't take trades for that hour, and then we saw it
And
flying up and down.
and is there any? I mean, how can you anticipate those moves? Like if you were at that moment, if you were on a bearish in a sale, uh, I mean that moves just take you out
Yeah,
immediately.
yeah.
But
So
how can you anticipate that if there's no place where I can see?
okay, so if you know like there's news coming at that time, right? If you are in a short, for example, just if you're whether you're in a short or a long, right? Just make sure that your stop loss is locked. So at least you're like at break even or something. So if you're at break even, you can't lose, right? Even if the trade goes against you. Yeah, because that's what I
Okay.
usually do. I will definitely either I close out my trade or I put my stop loss at break even. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just stay away from
Gotcha.
it. Don't ride it through the news. It's dangerous.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That move was wow.
Yeah. It was up for 80, 50 and then
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
would have
Completely.
yeah. Ooh.
And it's. Oh, I'm sorry.
No,
That's
it's
my
okay.
daughter.
Yeah, it's okay. It's a little kid. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna end the stream on the hour close, so ask any last questions. If not, then I will see you tomorrow at 5 a.m. Eastern. GJ is hard to trade today, yes. It will be hard tomorrow too. If it doesn't get out of this range here, Boga. It's stuck. So if you look at my screen, it is stuck here. This whole thing is a nasty range. So you want to be out of it before GJ is clean. Even GU is in a range, both pound pairs. So just be careful if you're trading it. Oh no, Prati, I think it will. As a beginner, how many pairs would you recommend to trade? At the moment, I'm focused on 4. What 4? What are the pairs? Because you don't want there to be an overlap. But 4 sounds like a good number. Yeah, EJ had like no bottom wick, so that was just danger. Benz is not gonna go much. It's EJ, man. This is nothing. This is like what, 1 pip. Look at it, it's 1.3. 算了, go sleep. Go sleep. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Yeah. You had this big move. Should be good. So anyone trading Asia tomorrow morning? There's gonna be the presidential debate. Some Chinese PMI news. Probably gonna rock Asia a bit. Yeah, so those that are trading Asia, be careful. Right. No more last questions. I'm gonna call the stream. Okay. Who knows what the debates will do? Yeah. If you're trading dollar pairs, just be careful. Thanks, Zhao. Don't be angry. Just make a note. See you tomorrow. Right, bye guys. Yes, Spence. Ciao. 再见. Oh, Vans, I really don't know. I haven't redrawn anything. To be frank. "下一次见,明天见." 明天5点见. Yeah, Vans, I just started. Farewell, farewell, YouTube gang.